Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that whenever there is a new video, you'll be notified. Now today I'm just want to explain how you can manipulate things. I want to explain some aspects, some stuff to you, some pages and some functionalities, some button, what you need to know about your dashboard. So after you successfully log into your dashboard, this is how your dashboard will look on a system, laptop or desktop. On the phone it will look the same way but kind of different. Now you can also become a vendor. I've said that in the previous video. So to become a vendor, you just have to click on become a vendor. Then it will tell you the amount that is going to cost you to become a vendor. Now the next thing you are going to do now, the next thing I'm going to explain is this is your name and it's bring out your earning. And if you have multiple accounts with the same email, so this way it will bring it out here, so you can switch automatically. You don't need to like log in from one to one. So once you log in into one, the first one, any of the accounts, then you can switch with this button. Then the next thing I'm going to talk about is this is your available balance. If you have any balance in this, if you have any amount here, you can withdraw such amounts. So that means these are available amounts, and this is your affiliate link, so you can copy it using this green button. And if you want to download the composition plan and some write-up, you can just click on this yellow button. It will automatically download. You can see it downloaded some stuff to me. If I open the stuff, it's downloaded, so you can see it has generated something for me which I can use in referring, and it has brought my ID automatically now. So that's how that one goes. Now this one will tell you your current stage, the current stage that you are presently. It will tell you your total debit, your total credit rather, your total debit, and your O coins balance, then your credit balance too, and also the total number of downline you've referred. Now since I'm in stage one, my expected income is this 30 naira. Mind you, this is for teamwork. For direct referral, now if I'm going to enter direct referral, that will be 15 naira per one, so 50 times 3, that will be 150. So plus this 30 naira, now making how much? 180. So and I joined with 100 naira, I've made profit that way. Now before the next thing, these are the quick menu bar. The quick menu action, where you can deposit, history, withdrawal, matrix, downline, profile. So the same thing. Now let's go ahead and just go to the wallets. Then when you click on it, it will take you to your deposits. So you can deposit using online method or crypto. So you can see there are ways you can just go about it. Before I even forgot, there is a way you can also get your pin purchase too. You can get it through online, or you can pay through crypto, or you can just go straight through agent. So you can just contact the agent for your pin that way. So sorry, I think there was a noise. Sorry, let me explain myself. So I said you can get your your pin through online, crypto or agent that way. So the next place is history. On the history page, you'll be able to see your details. Like it will bring out your full history, the transaction that has happened on your dashboard. That way it shows the transaction that has happened on your dashboard that way. So this on this withdraw, it is another way you can have access to that. You can withdraw if you're from Nigeria, you can withdraw if you're from, if you want from other country and you want to make use of crypto, another country can use barter. So what you just need to do is just to install this barter, just search for it. So when you search for it on Google, it will bring it out for you, and this is it. Just click on it and then you install it to your Google Play or Apple, your iPhone. From your iPhone, then you are good to go. So you can also withdraw to that app, then from that app to your local currency. Now from Nigerians, if you want to withdraw, when you want to withdraw like 200 now, I enter it. So it shows me that admin charges 10%. This is 22. Then the transaction fees is 15 naira. This is the amount I will be expecting, I should be expecting. So then always make sure you enter your details. When you select your bank and you input it, it will bring out your name here, so for confirmation, then you can cash out. Now for voucher, for those people that have become an agent, they don't have much issue on purchasing pin, because they will buy pin in cheaper rate and resell it at normal rate. So that is that about. But if you are not a vendor too, you can also purchase here. Just enter the number of, okay, now I'm a vendor, let's say I want to buy one. If I want to buy one pin, so you can see the amount I'm going to buy it. So that is that about that. No, I think I'm a normal, this is normal balance for. So we are going to convert option. So on the convert page, you can convert O coins to cash, then you can convert cash to O coins. Now when, let's say you've traded and you've earned a lot, you want to convert it to cash, you can make use of this one. Let's say you just want to start trading, you can just convert your available cash to O coins to trade, because you can't trade without it. So on the subscribe option, that is when you want to complete tax. So we have plan 1, plan 2, plan. So and the plan also comes with coins and days of tax. Like the number of days you will enjoy the tax, you'll be able to do the tax. If you purchase plan 1, that means for 15 days you'll be doing tax of any kind, of any amount. If you purchase 2, 50 days. If you purchase 3, 150 days. So that is all about the submenu on wallet. Now let's go straight to extra cash. Now on this extra cash, I'm going to just explain it briefly, but later I'm going to show you how you can do something about it, how you can trade on it. So as you can see, as you know, you can just go ahead and read more, but this is how the trading looks like. And for the tax also, I will have separate videos for this later, so you can check them later. So this is the available tax for now. Now we go to network. We have the matrix. On the matrix, it will show you your current stage, like you are in stage, your current level. I'm level 1, then I need 3. So whenever I have my 3, I will circle up to level 2 automatically that way. So direct downline, this will show me the list of people that have referred directly. So it will show me the list of people that have referred directly. And for the profile, we've reached that page before. We can just edit, then change our password that way successfully. So this is all about dashboard on ODAP. So don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification button, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. You can share this video with your loved ones. So thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful time. Remain blessed. Take care. Bye bye.